What the dog doing?
My eyes were good na, guys. Pero may konting ano pa. Pero okay naman. Sabi na ate, pag okay na daw yung mata ko, stop na daw akong maggamit ng drops and antibiotics kasi antibiotics yun. Baka ewan ko. Basta ganun. Ganun yung sinabi niya. And I'm gonna do my makeup here sa car kasi ano pa naman yung class ko? 4:30. But kailangan naman magpunta ng school before lunch kasi kailangan naman mag-practice for the role play or the presentation ba. So yeah, I'm gonna get back to you guys later. Nakita niyo ba yung kahapong mata ko? Hindi, wala na. Hindi niyo nakita kasi naka-shades ako. Pero yun, that look good.
May paano dito lang?
Guys, it's so windy. Basin dili, derera. Okay.
Uy, ano mo? 69?
Just got home, guys, and I'm gonna open my parcel. This is bad shit. Look like this and that. Feels good. Is this a? This is the bed sheet. Color violet, and this should be the punda. 2 punda. Funda. Yeah, it's punda. And comforter, or like let's say habol, or like kumot. Kasi look. There's kumort. I know. This is the kumort. Funda, 2 funda, and 1 bean sheet. I have here silk pipe, and I love it. But I need to change that because I don't know. I want to change it. I'm gonna change my bed sheet. Okay naman ka ako bata.
Ibag na. Ibag na.
Kaya.
Lugsot ka na ba?
Okay.
Ang siya. Oh. Ibag na. Oh.
Dark imo under eyes. Awa daw. Imo under ba dark?
Amo?
Imo nga ba?
Di.
Ako dark. Ako.
Oh, dark day.
Snack break na mo guys. Kapoy na po. Cool boy. Guys, we're walking. Padong si IT tayo. Bus can stop there naman. So, yeah. We are at Ayala, guys. I don't know if you can hear me, but we're at Ayala right now. Ayala Central Black. Then I'm supposed to eat or buy the Locos Empanada. Oh, wait. The waiting time around 2 hours. So, wait here. I'm gonna buy potato corner. I don't know if you can hear me. We are at IT Park, guys.